You can be successful with Facebook ads even on a small budget, and in today's video I'll show you how. Hey all, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and I have spent millions of dollars on Facebook ads over the past 5 years, and in today's video I'll show you how you can be successful even with a small budget. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. When I say small budget, I mean at least $50 a day, which is gonna make about $1,500 per day. And this is for Western countries like States, United Kingdom, etc. If you live in a smaller country, like Bulgaria for example, you can get away with spending less money. But for the Western countries, you need at least $50 to spend on Facebook ads. Another thing, if your average order value or your products are on the high end, for example, let's say $1,000, $2,000, $50 a day are not gonna cut it. So if you cannot allow yourself to spend, let's say, $50 a day for 3 months and risk it to lose it, then there are other issues that you need to solve. You need to feel comfortable being uncomfortable. And when I say that, I mean in the first couple of months, you might not generate any sales. So you need to be ready for that. So if you're on your last $1,500, don't spend them on ads. The two easiest and most efficient ways to spend $50 a day on Facebook ads are the following. So we have Advantage Plus campaign is the first way. The second one is just a singular prospecting campaign. So in both cases, you're gonna have just one campaign. Advantage Plus has been working really well for me and my clients in 2024. And I continue to use it now in 2025 with really amazing results. So what does Advantage Plus campaign do? It does leverage Meta's AI, and based on your product SKUs, product description, colors, etc., targets people who are actively searching for products like yours. So let's say we both have similar stores that sell shoes. If someone comes to your store and they check your shoes, they don't like them, when they go back to Facebook, if I'm running an Advantage Plus campaign with a DPA, they're gonna see products from my store, because that's how Facebook detects what people are looking for, what they're interested in, etc. So really good campaign to run. And in that campaign, you're gonna have just one ad set and 4 ads. And when I say 4 ads, definitely have a DPA, 2 single images and 1 video. This is how I test. So you can also do 1 DPA and 3 single images. You can also do 1 DPA with 3 videos, but DPA is the most important thing. The second one will be prospecting. Very simple, just prospecting, no retargeting. If you're spending $50 a day, there's no need for you to spend on retargeting unless you have a tremendous amount of organic traffic. And when you have 2 ad sets, both of them are going to be prospecting. One of them definitely run it broad, so open targeting, no interests or lookalikes. And the second one could be interest depending on the products that you sell and the interest that you're going to target. Then in both ad sets, you're going to have the same ads, similar to what we have on top. You're going to have 1 DPA. DPAs are doing really well at the moment, so highly recommend it to you. So 1 DPA, and then you can decide single images or videos, but definitely have a DPA running. So when deciding what ads you're gonna run, you don't need to figure out everything by yourself. You can just copy from what works. There's tons of websites where you can check what works. One of them is 4Play. I use it to research for all of my clients, and the second one, you can just simply visit Facebook ads library. Check one of your competitors, see what ads they're using, and create something similar. You don't need to figure out everything on your own. If you want to learn more about 4Play and how to research ads and how to use Facebook ads library, I have a video about that and I'm gonna link it in the description below. Next tip I have for you is to trust Meta systems. Meta is my favorite platform to advertise on, simply because of the amounts of data they have and how targeted the ads can be. So trust the platform, leave your ads to run for a couple of days before making any changes. Don't create the ads today and make changes tomorrow. You need to leave them for longer before you make any changes, especially since you're spending $50 a day. Leave your ads to run for longer before you make any changes. Next, you need to avoid brand awareness campaigns and traffic campaigns. All of your ads should be focused and optimized for sales. And I've said this many times, but I still see people running traffic and brand awareness campaigns. Never do it if your goal is to get more sales. And just to summarize everything, have a simple structure similar to this. Leave your ads to run for longer, trust Meta system, don't do awareness or traffic campaigns, and copy from what works. It's not rocket science. I really hope you found value in this video, guys. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.